Alright guys, I appreciate everybody following me on this, man. This is part 3 and a final on the 99 DX99V. I got a door behind me with a window, so the sun is just being crazy right now. But anyway, we're going to get a little close-up of it for you. Brand new meter, brand new faceplate, blue lens, same green lights, blue lights and the blue lens. Turned out real good, man. It looks real good. I like it. It's pretty. The owner picked out the faceplate on Gamma Ray Graphics, so if anybody wants to check them out, if you haven't already, good guy to deal with, man. No problems at all. Picked out the faceplate. I went up there. The owner picked out the faceplate. I went online, told him what I wanted. Boom, sent it right to me, man. It was here in about, I want to say 5 days. I work a regular job with some crazy hours, so my days get away from me. But anyway, nonetheless, that's what that is. Now, when this unit came in, I'm pretty sure the ones that were following me, I told you that this wouldn't even turn on when it came in. You had to push down on the board and do a lot of crazy mess, man. But anyway, we got her where she'll come right on and not have much of a problem. And there's a big blue lights, and then the regular green, and then the blue light over here. Still kept the red light in there, so when it turns red, you're modulating. Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna go. Stay up there, microphone, start falling all over the place. Alright, so we're gonna turn the RF power all the way down. RF power is all the way down, mic gain wide open. I'm gonna go right up here, turn the volume down. 50 watt slug, middle scale, just under a half a watt on the carrier. 18 RMS. Come right back here. RF power, wide open, same 50 watt slug. Just under a 7 RMS. 28 RMS. Not bad for a dual final radio, right? We'll turn her back down. I'll put her on about 2 watts. Let's see here. Two watts. 22 watts all day long. Now let's talk into it a little bit. Hello out there, DX land. Hello out there, DX land. Worldwide 7.5 out here. I see a worldwide 7.5 out here in the shack out back playing around. Brega, brega, brega. So that's how it goes right there, guys. On a 2 watt carrier, 22 watts talking. Not bad at all. Anyway, we're gonna upload this video and tell the owner that she is done, and I think that's pretty. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Ain't no doubt about it. Audio getting all the way down. Y'all have a great day, man. 7.5 out here in the shack out back playing around. I'll see y'all. Click.